Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we've got a Range Rover Sport in the workshop. So just 3 years old, Range Rover Sport. It's got a warning message on the dash saying forward alert not available over 50 miles per hour. And it will also store fault code in the adaptive speed control module, Charlie 1 Alpha 67-78. Adaptive speed control module misaligned. Now the actual radar sensor sits behind the front bumper. So first thing to check for is any damage on this vehicle. We can see slight damage on the front bumper down there. So what we'll do first is we'll whip the front bumper off, and then we'll just check that bracket and the sensor for correct fitment, and then go from there. So just back on the Range Rover, we've got a new part delivered today from Land Rover. That's the part number there. We've got our new bracket on the right, and as you can see, quite a lot of damage on the original bracket, bent up there, and then these prongs are totally bent out there. So yeah, it's about £17 plus the VAT for that bracket. Nice and straight there. Yeah, it's just completely out of shape. So we'll get that bolted back on the front of the vehicle. So we'll get the bracket on, we'll get the sensor refitted, refit all the bumper, and then we'll go back into the fault memory. So we've got the Range Rover all done. New bracket fitted behind the front bumper. Yeah, like you say, it's just scuffed there. Customer doesn't recall hitting anything. There's a good chance it may have happened in the car park, whether a vehicle's backed into it slightly. But that bracket was totally out of shape, as you see. So if you do get that warning light on your dash, there's a good chance that that bracket has took the impact, and I think it's about £17 plus the VAT. One thing you will have to do once fitted, recalibrate the front radar sensor. So you'll need a diagnostic machine and then take that for a drive. And then what that will do is just pick up all the objects. Sensor will just detect any objects and recalibrate itself. And it is ready for the customer. One more thing to note is when we have it on the ramp, we disabled the side steps coming out. Just make sure you turn them back on. I hope you found this short video useful. Give it a like, let us know if you've experienced the same problem. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.